I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's raining outside. Great time to record a Q&A vid. So, I put this post here on my Instagram page at Tuki_animations, asking people to comment in the top right hand corner. I said may or may not be for a Q&A vid. So, let's hop into those questions now. First question comes from Andre Animate. Why is my hair green? Well, in real life, my hair is not green. I'm going to be dyeing it green. I'll make a video when I do. For starters, green is my favorite color. My original profile pic. Normally, I used to just draw my character, without hair. Then I decided to make my hair green, like draw my character with hair, and that was all with this photo here, like with that drawing. That's the first drawing I ever did that actually had, like, my character with hair and, like, actual, like, color on it. So, I did it green because, I mean, green's my favorite color. So, yeah, that's, I guess, how my hair's green. The next question is from Pocky Animations. When did I start animating? I think it's about 6 months ago. I'm not entirely sure. I've always liked to draw, but my actual first animation, if you look up Tuki Animations, my first animation should appear. You can just look through my videos. My first animation, I didn't delete it. I think it might be, no, it's not unlisted. If you just look up Tuki Animations, and then it should come up, just like it'll have my channel, but then under that it'll have like my first video. I was gonna film my reaction to that, but no, I decided not to. Yeah, that I uploaded that video the day I mean that's technically when I started animating, because that's the day I uploaded that video, the very same day that I actually attempted it. I recorded my lines, did that, took me like 2 hours, I uploaded it, and I was like, I'm gonna be the next Odd Ones Out. I'm not, but I mean, talking about the Odd Ones Out, he replied to my email. That's not even a joke. Well, let's say again, hold on. Well, I don't have Jim. I'll put it up now, you can have a read through it. Because James was collabing basically with heaps of young YouTube, like small YouTubers, so I was like, hey, I'm gonna do that. It was worth a shot. He said he no longer accepts collaboration requests. I'm fine with it. I mean, it's James. He can do whatever the hell he wants. I respect that. I'm kidding. No. Anyway, I don't know why I'm using this pen light thing. But yeah, I'll put that on screen now. And James, if you're watching this, which you're probably not, you're awesome. Next question. Why? This is my first time reading through these. Okay, this is my friend that commented this. Why did I take a photo with a rock in my mouth? Oh my gosh, now I actually have to explain this on my channel. Far out. Okay, so, for those who don't know, I took a photo with a rock in my mouth for Halloween. Because I was bored. There was a house that had no lollies, candy, whatever the hell you want to call it. So I stole a rock. And then I took a photo of me with the rock in my mouth. Here, I'll put that up on screen now. Yeah. Can't believe my friends actually commented this. Oh my gosh. So yeah, and then then people were talking about it at school, and it was really embarrassing. But I mean, it was funny. Do it for the memes. Do it for the Vine. Whoa, this video is like 3 minutes long. That's too long for my videos. Cough, cough. I need to make longer videos. The end.